Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carmen. Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be giving some guidance and some help to life path number 9s. So life path number 9s, you guys are pretty much the last people that will ever admit that you need help. And that's because you guys want to be the one helping other people, right? 9 is the number of the great humanitarians of our time. A lot of great humanitarians such as Gandhi, Mother Teresa, they were all life path number 9s. So because of this, people often come to you for help, and you often save the day for people a lot of times, and people kind of lean on you. And so you're not really used to being the one to lean on other people. And you guys often will put up a facade that everything is perfect and that you don't really need help with anything, that you have it all taken care of. I kind of like to think of you guys as you're like the superheroes of the numbers, and a superhero usually doesn't need help, right? So why would you go to other people if you needed help? The thing is, we're all human and everybody needs help sometimes. So one of the things you guys can do that will really make your lives a lot easier is to reach out to other people when you need help. Don't be afraid to let people know that, you know what, you can't do it all on your own sometimes. You can't always be the one to be helping other people and supporting other people and giving all of your energy away when you're not getting anything back yourself. But you need to let other people know, because people are not going to know that you need support unless you let them know. Because people see you as the one that's supporting everybody else. You know, you're that steady rock. You're that person to always help friends and family members who are in trouble. So why would you ever need it? So you need to tell people, and it's okay to reach out. There's nothing wrong with that. It doesn't make people see you any differently. It doesn't make people see that you're flawed in any sort of way. If anything, it makes people like you more, because studies have shown that we tend to like people more that we help. It's this weird psychological thing where when we help other people, those people that we're helping, it tricks our mind into thinking that we must really like them if we're helping them. So, you know, it's okay to ask other people for help. It's okay to let other people know what your needs are. This isn't going to change their opinion of you. Often in relationships, you guys will not tell other people what your needs actually are, and the person has no idea what it is that you actually want. And so as things start to go wrong in the relationship, that other person doesn't realize what they're doing that's kind of ruining the relationship, because you haven't told them. You haven't expressed to that person what your needs are. So that's going to be very important for you guys if you want to keep your relationships nice and healthy and strong, and also for you to have that emotional support that everybody needs in this world, right? Because we're all human. Nobody is perfect. Those are two key things that you can do. Number 3 is you guys need to do cord cutting a little bit more than the other numbers. You guys are more attached to the past than all of the other numbers. So if you look at number 9 and the way it's positioned, it kind of looks like it's looking back on all of the other numbers. And 9 is the last number, so this makes sense. You know, it's the end of the cycle. It's the end, so it's very retrospective, and it often thinks about all of the other numbers and looks at all of the other numbers and sees where it's been and everything like that. So as a result of that, 9s tend to be very focused on the past. And so you guys need to really get into a habit of asking God, asking the archangels, whoever it is that you believe in, source energy, whatever. You guys need to get into a habit of asking every single morning, every single day, for all cords that are attached to you that are no longer serving your highest good, that those cords need to be cut. And you need to do this every single day, and that will help to cut all of the cords that are attaching you to things in the past, to events in the past that you're thinking about that are no longer serving you, people that you might be thinking about, things that have happened to you that are still hurting you over and over again, even though these things happened maybe years ago, but these are things that you can't get over. This cord cutting will definitely help to end a lot of that. We're all connected to people energetically. We're all connected to events and things that happened in the past with these energetic cords that connect all of us. Asking God to cut those cords is going to help to free you from the past And you guys need to do this more than any other number because you guys are so focused on the past. And it's really hard for you guys to get over the past sometimes because of this 9 energy. And remember, the cords will not be cut unless you ask for them to be cut. So get into the habit of doing this every day. And it needs to be done every day because new cords are always being attached to you every single day, right? You guys are very empathic. So you need to protect your energy. You need to make sure that your energy is always being protected from other people's because you guys are very sensitive. You're picking up on other people's energy all the time. When you're around people, even if you don't realize it, you're sensing how they're feeling. You're sensing their emotions. If they're in a negative state of mind, you're feeling that. It's rubbing off on you. It's affecting you. And so you need to find ways to protect your energy so that you're protected from other people's negative energy. Now, it's great if the other person has a very positive energy and they're in a good mood, but a lot of times this isn't the case and people are not always in the most best state of mind. So we need to find ways to protect our energy because you guys are extremely sensitive and empathic. And one of the ways you can do that is to wear black tourmaline. I wear a black tourmaline bracelet, and basically what it does is it's a crystal that protects my energy from other people, and that way I'm not picking up on other people's negative feelings and emotions and mistakenly thinking that those feelings are mine, because a lot of times we can't tell the difference, right? So that's why it's important for you to protect your energy and your energy field, because you don't want to mistake those other person's emotions for yours. And then a last thing that you can do that will be really good for you guys is you can find ways to be more present in the moment. As I said, you guys are very retrospective and focused on the past and things that have happened to you. And if you can find ways for you to just focus more on being in the present, anything that helps to bring you joy, anything that helps you to be centered in the moment, that takes your mind off of the past and off of the future, then that's going to be really good for you guys. You guys really need to work on being more present in the moment because sometimes this can really affect your relationships. You're in a relationship and you're still thinking about that person that you used to be with many years ago, or something that happened to you in the past many years ago, and that will affect your relationship now in the present because you're not focused on the person you're with currently or what is happening in your life currently. In addition to the cord cutting, anything you can do that helps to bring you back into the present moment is going to be very, very important for life path number 9s. So I hope that this information was helpful to you, life path number 9s. If there's any suggestions that you use that really help you as a life path number 9 that you think might help other life path number 9s that are struggling, please leave those in the comments below. I think they could help a lot of people. And if you want to check out my services, I will leave the information to that below in the description box. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with other people. And I would love to have you subscribe and to become part of the family. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. I'm sending you light and love, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.